Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. But now that you are here, I hear some of you are leaving us this year. Well, some of you want to take your data with you, so I'm going to show you how to use Google Takeout so that you can take those things in your Google Drive to either your new school or your personal account. So hang on tight and best of luck in your future endeavors. To use Google Takeout, you're going to make sure that you are logged into your school account inside of Chrome browser. Easiest way to do that is make sure you're in your Gmail. You're going to open up a new tab and go to takeout.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see there's a long list of items that you can export. What I usually start with is I say select none right here, and it deselects all of these. Now I can go through and select those items that I do want to export. If you have bookmarks that you want to export, you would click here. Calendar items, of course, if you want to take that stuff with you, they'll take that. What you're going to get with the Chrome data is if you have cookies or you had Chrome remember certain passwords for sites, you can go ahead and select that one and it should take that with you. But for most of us, the main one we're going to want to choose is Google Drive. And so as we go down and find Google Drive, we select it. And some of us may want to take mail also. I don't personally take mail with me. I leave it where I left if I transfer offices or accounts. Lastly, there's YouTube. If you have created YouTube videos and you do want to make a copy of those and put those in your new account, you can do that also. You will then hit the next button, and what that's going to do is that's going to create an archive. I've already done it, so I'm going to go up here to Manage Archives. If you ever do this and wonder, oh, I already did this, but I didn't download it, or I want to try it again, I can go to Manage Archives. Once your archive is created, right here in this Manage Archive windows, you can go to your Show Exports. Once you click on that, you can see you have 2 downloads, or you may have 1, or you may have 3, depending on the size. They're going to be limited to a maximum of 2 gig each. I'm going to go ahead and download the smaller of the 2 to show you what you do next, but you would download all the parts of it. Once those are downloaded, in your Downloads folder, you will find that takeout.zip. If I click on it twice, it opens it up, and there's a Takeout folder and then a Drive folder, and you notice I then have folders inside of here that will have all kinds of different things inside of them, all the way down to the particular file itself. So what I'm going to want to do now is take all of these and import them into my new account. So next step is I want to go to a different account. So here I am inside of my personal account. I'm inside of my Drive. If I click on the new, I can do a file upload or a folder upload. So because I want to do a bunch at a time, I'm going to go folder upload, and I'm going to go ahead and I know on the desktop, or pardon me, in my downloads folder is that takeout folder. I highlight it and I say upload, and that's all there is to it, and it would put it inside of my new Google account, and that way I can take all of my data from Eagle Grove with me. I hope that video helped. If you have any questions, the next step may be to go to Google and then search for Google Takeout. There's a ton of instructional videos out there that probably do a much better job than I just did. But again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to help you in any way I can. Best of luck in everything.